Hey guys, here's another quick one. This is unpacking magnetos again. This is stuff we get in the shipped to us, and we'll see how this one came in. Now, this one is from our friend George.
Flashback.
Well, we're starting the packaging of the decoy for Bill. Right, expanding foam and bottle in place.
First packaging attempt, fail. This one gets an F. The spray foam we put inside the bag is one part and it needs the air and moisture for it to cure. Put it inside a bag and that never happened. So a day later we have mush that didn't set. Attempt number 2 is going to be total boat flotation foam left over from a boat project. And it's 2-part foam designed to go into a confined compartment. So we're going to do a test run on this, get our volume expansion measurement, and then packaging attempt number 2 with our precious cargo. All right, test batch here. Let's see what we get. Let's put the 2 parts together. Okay, test run appears to be a success. We took 2 little small cups of part A, part B, filled to the line, poured them into the yogurt container, mixed it up. That made this much foam. So for scale, that's almost enough to fill the corner of the box, but now I've got a rough idea about how much foam it's going to be to fill up the whole box. So temperature makes it go slowly. Last time I used this, it was in the summertime. It was very hot. Stuff would go off in 15 seconds. I got concerned because it took closer to 45 seconds or a minute before it started to expand, but that actually makes it easier to work with. It was probably too hot previously. This is going to work well. Okay, first run we did a yogurt container each of part A and part B, and there's the result. So it looks like we won't need quite that much for the second batch, which we're about to do. We have our noisemaker.
Decoy noisemaker.
There you go. So we're getting very close. We'll do the second batch and we'll finish packaging.
All right, Bill. Here's second part going in.
Okay, so here's the activator part going into our mix. And we've probably got about 30-40 seconds. We're going to stir this up. Turns into a brown milkshake consistency. Looks like water got in the oil.
Get all the streaks out.
You gotta stir till the streaks go away, so you can see that starting to happen. Get it poured into the bag and let it start expanding, and that'll expand for a couple of minutes until it kicks and turns into solid foam. Okay. Set that down. Pour the top half.
We get enough down in the corner there.
Yeah, it's got a pretty good puddle. We'll find out in a minute. It's in rocket surgery, so close enough is good enough on this stuff. Okay, so after it sits there for probably 30-40 seconds, you'll see it start to expand and rise.
Yeah, we've got some down in the corner there. That's good.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not going to blow out the side of the box.
You can feel it getting warm. Yeah, that's the only guesstimating thing. Like if you did this all the time, you'd get a feel for how much is too much. But yeah, now we're starting to get bubbles and it's starting to expand. So yep, it's starting to fill up.
And what's nice about this stuff is it doesn't take exposure to air to do its thing.
Yep, two-part. It's designed to go into a confined compartment in a boat hull. All right. Let it do its thing for a minute.
Well, it didn't take that long.
Fast forward about 10 minutes and here's what we've got. So, we have our molded upper piece, lower piece. So we're going to put this all back together, box this up, and we'll come back in a few minutes to show you what this is going in. Okay, now because we don't want a single point of failure, we're going to fasten these down, then tape it. Hot melt glue, our favorite. Should hold that. That's up for a second. Now, fiberglass strapping tape, large, because if strong is good, too strong is better, right? There we go. Okay, now we've got one reasonably well packed box. We've made a discovery, but more on that in a second. Now, 2-inch styrofoam blocks lining box number 2. This is only 1 inch because the box was not quite square, and this one is, but 2 inches, 1 inch, 2-inch top and bottom, which left a 1/2 inch gap. So we're going to fill that with Kusa board, 26-pound polyurethane foam with fiberglass embedded, extra crush strength. So I think we need to hot melt that down so it won't move. And another 2 inches of foam on top to hold that in place. Now we have a happily packaged box. And you know, if FedEx, UPS, USPS, if they can break this, my hat's off to them. I give up. So we're going to tape this up, send it to Bill, and we'll see how the unboxing goes. Okay, finished product. We'll see if we get an A. Bill, we want an A, but we'll find out. No grading on the curve. So,
And we have surprise.
so gotta do the shake test when you get the box to be a complete test. So anyway, let us know. We'll see how the unboxing goes.
End of flashback.
Normally, I would say I'd grade these. Presentation is an A+, but it's kind of sketchy looking because it almost looks too good. This is apparently shipped by UPS, which is interesting because there's no footprints on it. The corners aren't bent over. There's no holes in it. There's no leaking. So now I'm kind of curious. I'm kind of suspicious with regards to how this, what exactly is in this thing. Now shaking it, I'm not sure what's in there, but it sounds like jingle bells. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, presentation, we're going to give George an A. Now that's another thing is we had, let's see, we had Ricky and Terry. They weren't good. They weren't good. But then we had the other folks. Doug wasn't good at all. Not good at all. But he got better. He got a little better on his second run. He did a lot better on his second run. So we're gonna kind of rack him and stack him. It looks like George, just from shipping it, getting it here, gets about A, first place. Doug, we're gonna give him a second, and then Terry and Ricky, we're gonna give them a kind of tied for fifth, something like that. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Here we go. We're gonna open this baby up. Get the razor blade, looking nice. Nice fiberglass tape all the way around. Nice sturdy box. Looks pretty good so far. Not going to cut into it too far. And this thing is glued together or something. Hang on. It's glued together. I'm going to open the other side. Let's see how this works. Because I don't want to deal with glue. Now, if they glue this whole thing together, they're going to upset Yoda here. Okay, there we go. We found the bottom of the box. So we found this. We found the back door, the secret passage here. Okay, we're opening upside down. Hope that doesn't matter. Oh, look at this. Styrofoam. Man, George, belt and suspenders. Obviously, George watched our video on that, and I'll link that up here, I think. I'll link that up for you guys. Check this out, man. He must have got some Omaha steaks or something. Got the styrofoam going on. Excellent. And it's like those little Russian dolls. We got a box in a box. Very cool. Okay. Also, this box seemed a little light, so I'm not sure what to expect. He's got some other, I don't know what the heck that is. Some plywood, fiberglass, something. Open this thing up. Nice little Amazon Prime box. Come on, baby, open up. Open up. These guys are jacking with me. They're jacking with me. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting ready to go crazy here. Oh, yeah. Screwdriver time. So, I'm thinking they may be funning me, but you know what? We're going to go all the way and figure out what's going on here. This looks like nuclear box. Ooh, great stuff. Let's see what's going on in here. It gets even better. Jeez Louise. Will it come out of the box? Yes, it came out of the box. Box 2 down. Now let's see what's under here. Sweet, man. So this is from the old farts. And again, George, I gotta say, George, you're the best packing dude going. It's this is great. Again, from the old farts fly over in Florida. If you need any tail wheel training, any upset training and upset recovery type stuff, we'll put their link down here. But we've done some work with those guys over there. Real good bunch of guys. And thank you for the Christmas present. Not only did we get a little beverage, we actually got a decanter with some hardware to throw us off. So here it says decoy sound effects. So anyway, Merry Christmas from HangaRatz and from Vintage Aircraft Services in Florida. And also I'm going to throw in Old Farts Fly over in Florida. Thanks much for those guys. Like I said, if you need any aerobatic training, that kind of stuff, those coconuts will be more than happy to separate you from your money. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever your poison is. Festivus for the rest of us. So, HangaRatz out. See you next year.
Meanwhile,
Hi, I'm Doug Veda. I just received a box from my friend Bill, who has been complaining about how we wrap our mags when we send them to him. I've noticed that he's using the Packing Pros to build these, and I shake it. Bill, there's something loose in there. It's kind of interesting, so I thought I would open it up and see how well Bill did. The box is in good shape, obviously. He has a grading system. I would give him an A. Oh, look at this. Got all sorts of paper everywhere. Lots of paper. He's got it all stuck in there. It looks good. All sorts of cardboard. We have one mag. It's all clean. It's all beautiful. Have to give him an A on that one. Go to the second one. Hey, more stuff. Got lots of. We'll have to save these. Terry and Rick, I'll send you these for Christmas so that you can get them back to Bill. Oh, and there we go. There's the other one. It's all cleaned up. New gaskets. Hey, Bill, you did pretty good. I don't know if you did it or the Packing Pros did it, but we give you an A.